Alright, so let's do some dividing of decimals. So let's say we have 64 hundredths divided by 8 tenths. So 64 hundredths divided by 8 tenths, 64 hundredths is going to go inside the box. And then the 8 tenths is going to go outside. Now, when you're dividing decimals, you can't divide by a decimal. So the number on the outside, you have to move that decimal until you get a whole number. So I'm going to move it one time to get 8. Anything I do on the outside, I can do on the inside. So I'm going to move that decimal one time and bring it straight up. So that decimal is between the 6 and the 4. So now I have 6 and 4 tenths divided by 8. Well, 8 doesn't go into 0. 8 doesn't go into 6. But 8 does go into 64. 8 will go into 64 8 times. So my answer there is 8 tenths. Alright, so now we have 225 divided by 15 hundredths. So again, 225 goes on the inside. 15 hundredths goes on the outside. So I move that decimal, so I have a whole number on the outside, which is twice. So I do it twice on the inside. Well, there isn't a decimal, so I have to put my decimal and then move it twice and put some 0 placeholders. And I can bring my decimal straight up from where it is. So I have 22,500 divided by 15. So now I can just divide and forget the decimals there because I've already placed it. So 15 goes into 22 once. Subtract. 12 minus 5 is 7. Bring down that 5. So 15 goes into 75 6 times, which is 75. Subtract, you get 0. Bring down a 0. 15 goes into 0 0 times. Bring down the other 0. 15 goes into 0 0 times. So my answer there is 1,600. You'll also notice when you're dividing by a decimal, your number can actually get larger because you're dividing by something less than 1. So 225 divided by 15 hundredths is 1,600. Alright, so let's do one more example. So I have 96 hundredths divided by 4. Now I don't have a decimal on the outside of this, so there's nothing I have to move. I just bring that decimal straight up and start dividing. 4 goes into 0 0 times. 4 goes into 9 twice, which is 8. Subtract, I get 1. Bring down that 6. 4 goes into 16 4 times. So my answer there is 24 hundredths. So 96 hundredths divided by 4 is 24 hundredths.